Hey guys, this is a wee video of the KDX 1980 KDX 250 A1. Got in July with the Bultaco. Had to get plastics from the States, UFO plastics. It's undergone more or less a full restoration. Engine was good but just needing painted, but everything else has been done. New tyre at the front, forks all done, new gaiters, new seals, new everything, tank painted. Seat, it's a KDX 175 seat that I've made fit a 250. Yeah, so it's all been titivated. It's 1980, January 1980, so it's tax and MOT exempt, and I can also use a black number plate for it. So yeah, new chain sprockets, new handlebars, grips, levers, parental pad. It's all looking really nice. Didn't have lights when I got it, so I put lights on it and got a switch. So it now has this switch here, so you can turn the lights on and off. These don't come with a speedometer, they actually come with like an odometer, okay, and it shows you the hours and how many miles it's done. So it's done 3,491 miles. It was, I think, imported from the States, the guy was telling me, and he had to get it registered. But no, so I'm going to try and fire it up. I need to set the carburetor so it idles better. So I'll just get it fired up for you. It starts really easy, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so if I can get it mounted here on this rubbish bin somehow. Okay, if that can stay like that, I'll be happy, bro. Right, I'll just start it just for a wee second, let you see what it sounds like. That's my KDX 250, and a really nice puff of smoke. So yeah, I've got quite a strong Mitra 2-stroke oil because it's been sitting for so long. But no, awesome bike. Look forward to better weather. I'll try it on the road. Anyway, have a nice Sunday.